Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose the your trading style and the timeline to result your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. Also, we killing it there, guys. Let me show you the signals of today. As you see that the signal here, that in Discord, and as you see the earnings of today, 18% till today, and we're still holding that long tail now. Me personally, I'm still holding that long tail now. And even in Telegram, to join us, the link is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle is finished here, it gives us a very nice pin bar here. Not very good signal. But guys, what me I told you before, if you're watching yesterday video, you know what me I'm talking about. The one here is just Monday candle, guys. Don't let that candle here to trap you. Remember that, guys. Don't let that candle here to trap you, because as I've been teaching you thousands of times over here, that Monday candle, then look what it followed. And that week we got CPI data, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you? That week we got CPI data, and the CPI data, it's coming very bad that week. So be careful, guys. Don't follow some people. They never ever trade, they just try to earn money by referral and those things. That week we got CPI data. So be careful, guys. Another thing for us to enter long, may I tell it to you like that. Did we break it above? No, not yet. Because where we still stuck till now. We still stuck between the two moving averages. The 50, is it that yellow one? Well, they been with me also, we buy 25% from that level here. Till now also we still holding. People in my Telegram and my Discord for midterm, we entered that in Friday. I told them to buy long. Look at today how much capital they making. I told them to buy in that one, Ethereum and XRP. The Ethereum not yet for us to take profit. XRP the same thing, but Bitcoin, for those ones, they need to take some of profit now and they need to protect themselves. Everything is too clear. Now also we're waiting if we are going to touch here at 100 moving average, because me, I'm believing there is another drop going to come, guys. So be careful about those things what I'm telling you, because till now we haven't touched that trend line which is coming from down. Till now we haven't touched it, so there is nothing yet. We need to wait more till the right time. So now for long term, what shall we do? Either it's need the market to break the trend line which is here, and the candle to come and to close above that level here for us to enter long, or we wait in the market to touch here the 100 moving average. Then also we're going to buy 25% from what it left over in our capital, because also we buy the first 25% from here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And another thing, guys, also we are very close to the bottom. Also we are very close. Let me show you why. You remember that indicator of us? Look at it. Look at the color of it here. It started changing the color, like here, like here. Should we buy? We need the price action to tell us that, because those ones, they are just oscillator. Also we don't need to follow them based on oscillator. And anyone in the web, no matter who is it, me or anyone else, he talking just about indicators, don't follow him, because indicators may have been in this industry for long and I know what I'm talking about. There is no indicator in the world that is working. There is no indicator is working. The indicators, we're just using them as filters. If you want to believe me, fair enough. If you don't want, go follow anyone you want. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. For today, guys, as you see, we don't got some special news here, just normal news. We got Germany CPI. Maybe that one is going to have a little bit impact to the market. Then we got EA short-term outlook. Even that one, it will not affect the market that much. So we don't got something special today. And over here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. What it telling us till now. We close Monday candle of all US stocks green. By the way, for US stocks, people, they buy with me the SP 500 when is it that deep. Today, they are in nice profit. We take some profit and I told them to move the stop loss to the break even for them to be risk free. Even you can join us. Just go to our Patreon and you're going to find there the VIP stock market is only $5 per month. It's not that much. And even you benefiting from those things. So stock market is closed. Monday candle green. Bitcoin the same thing. So be careful, guys. Another thing here is our friend, the one we're looking at it every day, is the VIX. As you see it, what it's telling us, it fell down where we used to be yesterday. Yesterday we used to be 17. Today it fell down to 15. As you see it here. Should we buy? Not yet. Not yet. It's still early. Till the CPI data passed. Then also we're going to buy again. And down here is our friend. As you see it, is US dollar. That one is staying in his place. It doesn't move that much. But today we saw a little bit drop in the US dollar. But very good. Yeah, enter in the cable or British pound USD in Thursday. Today I make very nice profit from it. Fair enough. Now I am risk free. Even you can do the same thing. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now is going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Here in the 4 hours today, the Bitcoin is breaking that 50 moving average here. What that telling you? The same like here. Yes or no? Should we enter long? Look at those moving averages. You see it or no? All of them, they are down. What that telling you? Also, we are in a downtrend. Simple. Also, we are in a downtrend. But the good news here, what is it? Let me show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. The good news here is that level here, that supply and demand zone here. It stay very stronger supply and demand zone. But another thing, that the fourth time also when we touch it now. The first it was here, second here, third here, and today the fourth time. Also we enter along from down here. People in our Telegram, in our Discord, we make very nice profit today. Now at that level here, what shall we do? Shall we short it again? No, for swing trading there is nothing yet. We need to wait in the break to happen here. You remember that one here? It's need to break here. But another thing, you remember, people they've been with me for some time now. They remember also we used to have here a wage, and that wage is getting broke here in that level here. Till now the Bitcoin it couldn't break the last low here. Now it needs to go up and to break for us that last high, which is here, for us to know that break will happen here. It's real. So till now look at it. The first time it go up, but till now there is no going up to break here for us to know the trend is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. Till now we staying here in a downtrend. Everything is too clear, guys. So what should we do for the confirmation to happen? It's need the Bitcoin to come to break that level which is here. That's the first thing. And it needs second to break that 200 moving average we got here. Everything is too clear here. So for swing trading, what is it the view? For swing trading, it's still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. We're going to confirm that for you. Let's see our indicator. Our indicator is going to confirm that for you. Let's go in there to see it. Our indicator, guys, look at it. You by your eye. What you seeing? Our indicator is preferred to stay down here. Yes or no? Now, what it given us here? It gave us here a trend line. Very clear trend line here. Every time we touch it, we move up. Now we are here at the border of to breaking from bear control to bull control. So we enter long. Also, already we got a long. Now me personally, I'm looking forward to enter a short now. Why? I'm going to tell you why. If you came like that and you're doing a trend line like that, what that trend line is telling you, maybe you're going to touch it here, then after that we're going to fall down, because till now also we got here a symmetric triangle. As you see it, very clear symmetric triangle, guys, here in our indicator. So our indicator is telling us also we're still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, he tried to give us here like a small divergence here. Shall we enter long? If the price action telling us that the price action we got is that trend line we got here, it needs to be broken here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Also, we still in a downtrend, and that one at the end of the day, just an oscillator. Also, we don't need to follow it. Also, we need to follow price action, which is in the chart, which is not repent itself. Remember those things what I'm telling you guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping at day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter along here. After that candle will happen in here. You see it, that nice pin bar will happen here. We enter along. Yes, also we enter along from here. But the market is hitting our stop. That's a part of the game. Then we back all the money by that move till going up. Now here at that level, the market, he tried to give us here a new price action, guys. Here at that level here, maybe the market is going to give us a double top, because till now also we touching a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it last time, from here we fall down. Now we just touch it, and the market, it doesn't got any power to break it. I'll tell you that. Look with me here. I'm going to explain it to you today. If you see the market, what he doing here, he go up. Now he fall down. That's normal, that apart, because the market's working like that high, low, high, that uptrend. But here, what it giving you? It give you here a high, now a low. Now it couldn't go back and to break the last high, which is here. If it doesn't break it, that man is going to give you a double top or a price action here for the market to fall down. Look here, market, what it done? High, low, another high. But here in that level where we are, low, here he couldn't give us another high. If it fall down and breaking the neckline here, also we're going to enter a short. But till now, also we still holding along, guys. Yes or no? People, they are with us. They remember that. Another thing, very important here. Look with me here. You see it or no? Look here and look here. We got here a trend or a head and shoulder, guys. You see it or no? Very clear head and shoulder. Shall we enter long if it's breaking above here? At this time, I will not. Me personally, I will not, because all our indicators, they are at the overbought area. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Also, already we got along from down here. We taking the first profit here, second and the third here. Now we are happy and we are risk free. If it fall down, we're going to enter short. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. It's our indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator is telling us also we started entering here to overbought area. Shall we enter short? Yes, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. You see it or no? Shall we enter short? I'm asking you. Yes, you. Shall we enter short? No, my friend. It's need the price action to tell us that if there is no price action, there is no entry short. We need to wait till the right time. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.